What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeebs here, and I literally just did my outro for the other video. And now this video I'm gonna do 3 things that I hate about my BMW Z4. So I was trying to figure out primarily if I should do 3 things about my Z4, as in mine, or just the Z4 in general. So I did 2, I think, mainly about mine, and 1 just in general. I will show you the one in general first, and then the ones about mine. So the first thing that I hate about my Z4, which is all E85 Z4s in general, honestly, well, 2.5 at least, I don't know about 3.0, I'm not sure, I haven't even looked at 3.0s, but this front bumper is not aggressive. I hate it. I hate the way it looks. Now, obviously, yes, I can get a new front bumper, which hopefully I plan to do, not soon, but one day. I just don't like the way the ends curve down. I just think that it does not look good. I don't know, it's not aggressive. It's too bubbly-ish. I don't know how to explain it. Now, I do plan to get a front lip and some splitters and a couple other things for the front to make it look a little bit more aggressive, but still, I just don't like the way it looks stock. It's too bubbly, not mean, not aggressive. But on to thing number 2. So now item number 2 is the amount of broken stuff the previous owner just left. Like, all the trim in this car, it seems, is broken. My vents, every vent is broken. My cup holders are broken. This doesn't even hold a cup. The only size cup that it might hold is a Route 44 from Sonic that are like this big around. But other than that, everything in here was broken. And let me just show you. Let me show you. So this was broke. This is all destroyed and broke. These are broke, like I said. This cup holder. Yep, it's broke. These are broke. These are also broke. This one is also broke. What else is broken? Oh yeah, they broke the BMW side step. This is broke. The amount of super glue that was on this car before I got it was like insane. Whoever had this car before me thought super glue was the way to fix things. This is broke right there and right here. The super glue. So that's all stuff obviously that can be replaced, but it's just a pain in the butt that the previous owner decided to super glue everything. That is also that side step that says BMW right there. Hey, I forgot this was broke. It's supposed to be a button like this. Look at this button. That's a piece. But this is broke. It's supposed to push up that. I think this. Yep. Ta-da! Got my little McLaren in there. Thank you, Grandma. But yeah, guys, so that's all stuff that's broken in my car. Oh, also the front bumper clips. Both sides are broken. It might not help that I have big wheels, so when I go full lock, it hits, but they were broken before I got the car. I've replaced the clips on the inside of the fender, but it's actually the bumper that's actually broke. So that's great! What else is broke? That I broke. There's one. And, oh, this one's kind of sticking out, not bad. There's 2. Okay, now, item number 3, and I'm guessing that you can guess what it is since the hood is open. It is my small 2.5 engine. Now, from factory, I think it has close to 180-ish horsepower, which is, it's okay for a lighter car, but not enough for a car guy. I want to slap a twin turbo or a bigger motor or something else in the car. I'm currently working on adding a little bit more horsepower to it. Not something small, it's actually something fairly large for the channel. Super excited. But when I say I'm working on it extremely slow. It's something that I've actually am working on and talking to some people about to try to get. It's going really slow because everything costs money and I have very little of it, which sucks. But nonetheless, this is bone stock. Here you go, guys. Bone stock M54 engine, V6, inline 6, super great, super awesome, actually really healthy. It's just really slow, and it really stinks, especially for the car, the way it looks. Oh, had to hop back in the car. It's a little hot out there, especially for the beanie today, which is surprising because it's January and it's supposed to be really cold, and like just the other day, it was like 30 degrees, but nonetheless, that is 3 things that I hate about my car. Look at me, I'm super white. Oh, but thank you guys for watching. Be sure to tune in next time. Whenever we do, I don't know, because I don't ever really know what's going on with my videos. You see that? You see that? That's... Glasses are dirty. But again, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one. Yada, yada, yada. So let's go to a black screen with some music that says thanks for watching.